Hello everyone. Welcome to the new pneumatic class. I'm going to show you the pneumatic foot. The foot approach can be mainly divided into two parts. The upper part is the actuator part. Below this stainless steel valve body is a valve body pot. This material is mainly stainless steel, 304 or 316, but there are also copper of valve bodies, but less. It all works. Its gas flow is generally from right to left. There is also a connection from left to right. But this seal of his, well, it's exposed on the left. Will make contact with the ring. If you enter from this side, the seal did not contact the ring. So in terms of service life, this connection from left to right, the service life will be relatively long. This inside it. Because the medium used is, generally, there are more high temperatures. The operating temperature of its angle seat valve can be around 0 to 200 degrees. Its seal is made of PTFE. It is a high temperature resistant seal. So his ring can allow relatively high temperature. His ring is also usually it can be a liquid and gas, and steam, and alcohol and everything. Weak acid and weak base. A slightly corrosive ring is also fine. So his perspective. The overall feature is his request for the ring. Corrosion resistance. Strong high temperature resistance. And then we talk about the actuator on top of it. Actuators are usually made of plastic like this. The price will be slightly lower, but there are also all stainless steel. The use environment is different. It may be warmer. Plastic melts easily, so some places will use stainless steel. This actuator. There are usually two holes on the actuator, and the hole up there is one of the vents. And the hole down there is one of the air intakes. What about the air inlet? We usually connect a solenoid valve, control the flow of its key in and out. Generally, if you are a long arm type like us, after it gets angry here, after entering through the air inlet, its piston will open. After opening it, make this ring. It can flow from the right to the left. If the gas of the solenoid valve is closed, he will secretes this air path from left to right. Mainly reach this. It is the function of switching this gas path on and off. Introduction to our corner practice. So that's it? Some friends have other questions? We can send a private message. We will also answer them one by one for you. Thank you very much.